In the community are outraged. Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel says her office will not charge the officers involved in a shooting that left 17-year-old Rayvon Shaheed dead last November. After reviewing the case, the AG's office says that the officers were justified in using deadly force to defend themselves and others. An attorney representing Rayvon Shaheed's family says he's not ruling out filing a civil complaint against Michigan State Police.
We are grateful that they even looked at it. But my client is awfully upset, awfully let down.
Attorney Arnold Reed represents Rayvon Shaheed's mother. Reed tells me they asked for details before the Attorney General's office released its decision about the case.
The mom feels that she was not treated fairly.
This fatal shooting happened on November 2nd, 2024. According to the investigation, Rayvon Shaheed was wearing a ski mask near Martin Luther King Avenue and East Dewey Street. Troopers spotted Rayvon and they say he had a concealed pistol. After tracking him down, both officers got out of their vehicle.
Mr. Shaheed began to approach the vehicle and reached under his jacket with his right hand, which is where the officers believed the gun was located. In response, both troopers unholstered their pistols and instructed Mr. Shaheed to not reach and to get on the ground.
According to the investigation, Rayvon raised his arm and wasn't holding anything and turned away and took off running. Police say eventually they saw him running with the gun.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
AG Nessel says officers asked 10 times for him to drop the gun. Then they fired their service pistols until Rayvon collapsed on the sidewalk. Nessel says officers rendered aid until EMS could arrive. Rayvon died at the hospital.
We are contemplating litigation. It will be decided, I can't say tomorrow or the next day. And it's not about winning or losing. It's about bringing these facts to the people.
People in this community wanted to see justice. They wanted to see answers. And it just seemed like we were just dragged around.
Black Lives Matter Flint President DeJuan Robinson says he's disappointed in this decision. Over the last few months, he's organized rallies to draw attention to getting justice in this case.
That don't mean you stop. See, people in this community got to have a purpose. People got to stand strong for something. We got to be dedicated for the long haul. This is a journey. This is a marathon. It's not a race. So for everybody who have died at the hands of police, man, we fight for them every day of our lives.
Nessel's office says since this happened in MSP's 3rd District, the 2nd District investigated the case and her department did a further review.